What do you do if when you get in your car, the screens are blank? Well, that's thankfully pretty straightforward, usually. So you get in, and you put your foot on the brake. On the Model X, that will also close the driver's door. So let's see what happens. If that doesn't work, we've got some more features we can do. I can't turn the air off, I'm sorry, because no screen. So brake, and it starts up. So we're good. It looks a little frozen. Oh, it's very frozen. So we get to do what is called the two-wheel reset. This works on Model S, Model X, and Model 3. What you want to do is you want to hold down both scroll wheels until the car reboots. You can see here it's doing stuff, but it's not doing it right. If you can, you want to try and disable the dash cam so that it doesn't... There we go, it actually worked. So that it doesn't... Okay, so sorry about the music, I had to mute it for that. What you want to do is you want to take both scroll wheels on the Model S, the Model X, and the Model 3, and that will reboot on all systems. It will reboot this screen. On older Model S's and Model X's, it will not reboot this screen. So for those cars, if you want to reboot this screen, hold down both of these upper buttons. And you can do that while driving. Tesla advises you should try not to. But the systems that actually control the car are completely separate. Then after a little while, the system will finish doing all its checks and bringing everything back up. The LTE or 3G is one of the last things to come back online. The air does cut out for a minute during the period while the Tesla T's are on the screen. The newer computers in the Model X and Model S AP 2.5 with the autopilot 2.5 with the Intel chips reboot much faster, as you saw. The older one would probably just now be coming online instead of searching for an LTE signal by now. Let that finish. Alright, so see, it automatically turns your dash cam back on if you have everything set up. I'll make a video on setting up the dash cam shortly. Alright, so we've got LTE, the music might start. Yep, and that's not the song I was listening to this morning either. And we're good to go. So I will catch you on the flip side. If you do drive while doing a soft reset, there will be no blinker sounds, but your blinkers will still work. And if you happen to be under autopilot and you signal for a lane change, if it is safe to do so, the lane change will still occur, even though you hear no clicking and can see nothing on the screen. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and supercharger reviews.